Good evening, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. We are currently seeing a lot of stormy weather gripping the eastern parts of South Africa. At the same time, we have a lot of rain-bearing clouds covering these areas highlighted here, extending from the south coast into the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. So this leaves us with a good chance of rain tonight over the south and the east coast. And as we go further into the interior, we are expecting isolated to scattered thunderstorms extending from the eastern parts of the Northern Cape into the eastern provinces. It's going to be dry as we go towards western South Africa. Then on Tuesday, it's going to be pretty unsettled across the bulk of the country without widespread thunderstorms possible over the central parts of South Africa. We could stay with rainy weather along the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. It's going to stay dry over western South Africa. Now we're expecting widespread thunderstorms and rain tonight. Wherever you see that shade of purple, a 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms is forecast. Where you see the dark shade of blue, the lighter shades of blue represent up to a 40% chance of precipitation. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for severe thunderstorms which could produce large hail and damaging winds wherever you see that shade of amber over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be pretty quiet for the mother city, as you can see here on the Metro Vision picture, but rather breezy with winds gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour, and overnight temperatures will drop to around 14 degrees. We are expecting a southeasterly breeze tonight along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Then on Tuesday, the airflow turns to an easterly direction. Easterlies are also forecast for the Eastern Cape coastal areas and along the south coast, and mostly a northeasterly breeze is forecast across much of the interior. It's going to be warm tonight over much of the Northern Cape as well as along the KZN coastal areas, with temperatures dropping into the lower 20s for Richards Bay and Durban, as well as Kimberley and Upington. Cooler as we go towards Gauteng, Joburg seeing a minimum of 15, 17 in Pretoria, the same for East London and Port Elizabeth. It's going to stay rather hot on a Tuesday afternoon over the western interior and across Limpopo. A high of 34 is forecast for Upington. Graafrenet will hit the 30-degree mark. A warm 26 is forecast for the mother city. Cooler as we go towards Port Elizabeth, Bishop and East London, with temperatures in the lower 20s. Similar temperatures are forecast for Durban and Pietermaritzburg. A high of 25 is forecast for Pretoria, the same for Mahikeng. Johannesburg will peak at around 23 degrees. Very unsettled weather continues on Wednesday across the bulk of South Africa, and wet and cooler weather is forecast for the mother city. Then on Thursday, we are going to see rainy weather along the west and the south coast and thunder showers persisting over eastern South Africa. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening.